Hi, I'm Sandra, licensed dietitian nutritionist. And if you're watching this video, you want to know how to compare your Wakanna gummies with other brands. Well, you've come to the right place. I'm going to give you a detailed explanation of the difference between your Wakanna gummies and other brands. So first, let me just say why it's important for you to choose gummies. Gummies are discreet, meaning you don't have to feel uncomfortable using cannabis with gummies. It's just like eating candy. Unlike the tincture where you have to put the specific amount of drops underneath your tongue and then wait a minute and swallow for absorption. But the gummies is just like eating candy. It's easy. And secondly, it's because the stigma of using cannabis won't be in your way. It won't make you feel like you're uncomfortable. And thirdly, you don't have to go to a doctor, a medical marijuana clinic, and get a prescription for gummies. And so with that, let's move on to why it's so important to compare your CBD products and how to find out if your CBD product is potent and pure, free of heavy metals, free of pesticides, and free of mold. And the way that's done is in the processing. I remember all the hemp plant in America, with the exception of 2 states, has a legal limit of 0.3 THC. This is based on the 2018 Farm Bill, which allows hemp to be used in tinctures and other products at that level. But to process it, to make sure it's potent and pure, you need a certificate of analysis. And that will come from a third-party lab that will attest that what you say is in the product is really in the product. And so that certificate of analysis assures you that the product is safe, it has the right amount of CBD in it, and it's in compliance with the Farm Bill, and that your product is potent and pure. And Wakanna gets their farm products from a farm in Northern Europe, as well as Oregon, Kentucky, and Colorado here in the United States. So want to see what certificate of analysis looks like. So I'm going to show you. This is from Wakanna. You can see the amount of CBD per product, and you can see the cannabinoids listed. There are over 80 cannabinoids in the plant. You want to have as many medicinal cannabinoids in your plant as possible. Plus, you want to be sure it's full spectrum. That means that the terpenes and the flavonoids, the other medicinal properties that's not CBD, is also in your product. So this is what the certificate of analysis looks like for Wakanna. And it has to be signed, certifying from the lab that it has what it says it has in it. Now, this is another one from a company called Sunday Scaries. And you could see the amount of CBD per product, per serving, that's in this one as well. And it also has a signature. So this is important. The certificate of analysis will assure you that your product is safe, pure, and potent. So you want to make sure when you're purchasing your CBD gummies that you have this analysis along with it. So when you go to the Wakanna site and you look at the gummies, there is a PDF form right next to the product where you can view it. You can download it yourself so you can see what's in your gummy. So have any questions? At the end of this video will be my website, CBD livewithoutpain.com. Go there, sign up, go directly to the gummy page, and download the PDF for the certificate of analysis. It's time to build the ark.